Minding your own business is always a good thing, especially when you have a goal and you know how to reach that goal. Let's find out how William Barbo is doing it with Uno Premier.
With the company, I think there's no question.
We decided to come up with our own company kasi nakita namin yung potential. There's a lot of foreign companies na pumapasok dito sa Philippines and nagiging very successful. Network marketing or multi-level marketing is simply the transfer of products from manufacturers directly to the consumers. Compared to direct selling, network marketing or multi-level marketing is actually the enhancement of the direct selling na. We have been operating for 9 years already, and then ang na-capture naming market is more on mga kabataan. Yung mga Filipinos, network marketers talaga. So nakita namin na why not put up a local MLM company na nag-start talaga dito sa Philippines, and then palaki natin dito sa Philippines, and eventually mag-expand tayo internationally. And that is what we are doing right now. We have branches in Hong Kong, in Macau, in Singapore, in the whole of UAE. We have Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Al Ain, Qatar. We have 2 branches in Nigeria, and we will be adding another one next month. And we also have opened in USA just last year lang. And in the coming months, we hope to open Papua New Guinea and Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda as well. Uno Premier ngayon, yung gusto namin ngayon mangyari is i-level up yung standard ng traditional multi-level marketing or network marketing. At the same time, yung office natin, inilagay natin ngayon sa newest business hub dito sa Philippines, which is yung Bonifacio Global City.
Yung entry level namin, yung Platinum, bibili ka lang ng worth 12,000 pesos package, meron ka maximum earning potential na 200,000 a week. Doon naman sa Premier, yung maximum potential income naman is almost 300,000 a week. Doon sa Elite naman, ang maximum potential income nun is almost 400,000 a week. Yung global, and yung maximum potential income nun is almost 500,000 a week. Lahat ng members have equal opportunity. So lahat yan, depende sa performance nila.
Yung Uno Premier product talagang dinesign yan, no? Para sa mga higher level ng society like mga professionals, mga businessmen. Nutrifab, isa sa pinaka-patok namin or blockbuster. Kasi meron siyang immediate effect. Maganda sa atin, natural siya kasi plum siya or fruit. No? Pro-cardio, nakaka-unblock ng mga clog ng arteries. Yung Santa 8 berries naman, combination ng 8 berries yan. Kaya ang effect talaga sa katawan niya, antioxidant siya. Legion, yan yung pinagmamalaki namin when it comes to yung cosmetics. No? Kasi meron siyang natural property na antioxidant. When it comes to external. No? Yung Novel naman, soap siya. Pero hindi siya ordinary soap. No? Very luxurious soap siya na made of vegetable material. Meron siyang pampaputi, saka anti-aging property.
We plan to add more products para magkaroon ng mas maraming choices yung ating mga incoming members and the existing distributors as well. We hope to expand to different countries on an average of 3 to 4 countries every year. Let our success and credential speak for our company.
Getting into the multi-level marketing or the direct selling business is not always guaranteed success. It is always inspiring to know about stories like that of Uno Premier founder, William Barbo. And we hope that you learn something new here on our segment, Minding Your Own Business.